Hey guys, welcome to my new vlog. Today I am taking you all to one of the popular tourist spots in Coorg. Before that, if you are not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Yes, it's Chiklihole Reservoir. It's a popular tourist spot in Coorg, Karnataka, known for scenic beauty and tranquil atmosphere. It's located between Madikeri and Kushalnagar, making a convenient stop during Coorg trip. We have to travel around 4 kilometers in between reserve forest. That is Anekadu. 4 kilometers we have to travel in between forest. Roads, I don't want to comment on it. You can see the condition. We have reached to the reservoir gate. So this is the entrance. The reservoir situated on the tributary of river Kaveri and surrounded by lush green hills and valleys. The Chiklihole Reservoir, worth visiting on your Coorg trip. You can see the water flowing, so only in the rainy season you can see this. It offers some good moments to the visitors. For those who looking for some privacy away from the crowd, this is a place to visit. It's a great picnic spot for the family outing. This is the beauty of this reservoir, but you can only see in rainy season. This is an open gate. So when the reservoir fills, the water will be flowing like this. So there is no gate. The location comes between Madikeri and Kushalnagar, approximately 15 kilometers from Kushalnagar. If you are traveling from Virajpet, I can get before Dubara Elephant Camp. From Virajpet, approximate 35 kilometers is there. And entry time will be 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Those who wish to take pictures, so best time to visit is rainy season only. So June to October is the best time to visit. If you're traveling with a family and kids, you will find some outlets outside for the snacks, the baby corns, noodles. In the seasonal, you will find mangoes also. This reservoir built in 1985 to provide irrigation for around 865 hectares of agricultural land. And its structure is very unique, semicircular structure. There is no crust gate, and during the rainy season, the water will overflow through that. It's time to say bye-bye. So hope you liked my video. So I'll be coming up with new videos. So if you're not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe. So I'll come up with new content.